This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll introduce Ghost Antivirus, a tool designed to analyze files for rats, malware, and other threats. It helps you detect suspicious activity efficiently without wasting any time. Open your browser, visit my channel, go to the bio, and click on the TerraBox link. Click on Tools Market, then navigate to the Linux Tools folder. After that, select Sigma Ghost Defender and click on Save to TerraBox. Finally, click on Go to Cloud Drive. Select the folder again and click on the Download button. Then wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, return to your desktop and start your Linux system. I will open mine as well. And then we will drag and drop the zip file there. After that, open your root terminal. Now open your root folder and extract the zip file. After that, move the tool folder into the root directory. Next, activate your MyEnv environment to install the necessary pip packages. Run ls, copy the tool folder name, and paste it into the terminal. Finally, execute the tool by typing Python followed by the tool name. As you can see, the interface looks clean and simple. It provides two scanning options. If you select File Scan, it will scan a single file. If you choose Scan Folder, it will scan the entire folder. Now, let's scan a single file and wait for the results. As you can see, here is the result. Now, let's move on to scanning the entire folder. Perfect, as you can see the results there. Now let's perform more scans to check if we can detect any rats, malware, or other malicious files. There is nothing suspicious found. I hope you understood the video and how the tool works. We will move step by step in the cybersecurity world and build multiple tools together. I lost my previous channel, so please show your support here, where I will be uploading more videos regularly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next interesting video and tool.